Hi guys, I'm back with another one of my Christmas DIYs, and this will be one of my last Christmas DIY for 2023. And I'm sharing with you how I made this Christmas tree from yarn, and then also this angel here that I made using yarn, making tassels, and also using pipe cleaners. And then also I will be sharing with you how I made this bell with yarn as well and with pipe cleaners. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, I enjoy doing them for you. So come on in, and I'm going to show you how I made these ornaments using yarn. So the first thing I did with making tassels for my Christmas tree, I wrapped yarn around 4 of my fingers. You could also use a piece of cardboard if you don't want to use your hands, but I didn't want to do it too large because I want these tassels to be miniature, and you're going to need 3 of them to make the tree. Now, pretty much as you watch, you will see most of this making the tassel is pretty much, you can just figure it out from watching the way that I do it. And also, I just want to say here, I did not count how many times I wrapped the yarn around my hands. And from my finished product, although I was satisfied with the way it looked, I would want it to be a little thicker. So if you want a tree to look a little more fuller, I would say wrap it more to get the fuller look on each tassel. And I'm doing 3 of these tassels to make 1 tree. Now with the angel, I pretty much did the same technique, but I made it a little larger, and I made 4 tassels. I did 2 that I secure around the top, those 2, and then I did 2 that I didn't do secure around the top, because those 2 are going to be the ones that are the arms at the top of the angel. Now here are the 2 tassels that I made, but I didn't wrap them around the top like I did the other 2. And I did that because I wanted them to be a little looser, so it would look more like the shoulder or the upper body of the angel. Off camera, I took a piece of yarn and tied it around a small piece of the loose tassel to separate the shoulder, making the shoulder and the arm piece. I took 2 gold pipe cleaners, made it into a bow, hot glued it to the back of the angel, and then that created his wings. The next thing I did was took a small piece of pipe cleaner and made it into his halo, as well as part of his arms in the front. His face, I'm going to take a wooden bead about 1 inch around and run a piece of yarn through it. And then I'm going to hot glue it under the halo to create his face and his head. So to create my bell, I pretty much did the same thing. I made 4 tassels. 2 of them I wrapped the yarn around, and then the other 2 I left them loose, and then I put all 4 of them together. Took a piece of yarn and wrapped around the entire thing to create the bell. And then I decorated it with some pipe cleaners and made my bow with that after I trimmed it up. Now to make the ball, I took 3 of the pom-poms. These were the largest ones that came into the packet that I had, and I glued them together. I'm sure there's a pom-pom that is bigger, but I just didn't have one, so I used what I had, and I glued them together, and I decorated it with pipe cleaners, attached a string to it, and then I attached it to the bottom of it, making the hanging little ball under it. So guys, that is it for this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can get notifications on all of my videos. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.